The Federal Reserve decided that they're going to keep interest rates steady.
Averaged a moderate 224,000 per month in the first 5 months of the year.
No hikes, no cuts. That sounds technical, but trust me, it hits your wallet in a very real way. So here are the 5 things that working families like you need to know, plus some truth about the politics behind it. Number 1, the credit card debt, it's still brutal. The feds keep rates high to fight inflation. And that means your credit card debt is still costing you a fortune. Politicians can argue about who to blame, but while they're pointing their fingers, you are still paying 25% APR on last month's groceries. 2, homeownership is still a distant dream. Rates are steady, but mortgage interest rates are still sitting at about 7%. 4, a lot of working families buying a home right now, it's almost borderline impossible. And while both parties talk about the big American dream, the feds, their hands are sort of tied until Washington gets serious about dealing with this inflation issue. Number 3, car loans aren't getting any friendlier. So, if you want to finance a car, it's still going to cost you. Used car prices are also high. Monthly payments are painful, and there's no real help coming. Meanwhile, Congress is too busy fighting over culture wars to pass a bill that will actually lower the price for everyday people. Number 4, inflation is slowing, but the prices, they suck. Yes, inflation has cooled a bit since last year, and that's really good news, but the cost of eggs, rent, and childcare hasn't magically gone back to 2019 or 2020 prices. That means that there ain't no miracle coming, and there ain't gonna be no quick fix to deal with the issue of inflation. 5, your job is still hanging in there. The feds don't want to tank the economy, so they're holding rates steady as partly a move to not trigger major layoffs across the board. It's a tightrope. That's the job of the feds, to keep inflation down without wrecking the job market. But let's be clear, if the economy slows down anymore, the pressure shifts from the feds to politicians. And with all the gridlock that you see in Congress, it's going to be a fast blame game here in Washington with no clear solutions in sight. Here's the takeaway. The feds are staying put. That means there is no fresh relief coming, but there's also no damage being done. Prices are gonna stay high, wages are still gonna lag, and Washington is too busy campaigning to fix it. You're tired of the spin and you want the truth, hit that follow button, and we'll continue explaining things in English. See you next time.